Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you wish your dishes would dry just as quickly as you washed them, well, definitely check out the Stone Dish Drying Mat by BELEET. It dries so fast and absorbs the water so well. I love that it's great for any area where water might puddle or build up and cause a smell. I love how my house smells with this because it keeps my area dry, especially in the kitchen, and I like that it comes with this stainless steel feet. It gives me a lift so that the air can flow underneath this dish mat. It also has anti-slip bottoms to keep it stable. This product is incredible. It looks amazing and it's so practical. I really love that even when the cup traps the air inside, it still dries. That's because there's very tiny pores inside the stone, and it does a great job of keeping my dishes smelling fresh but quickly drying them. So if you've been looking to get an upgrade, I highly recommend this one.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.